Let's talk about poke root for infections, inflammation, and lots more. It's been used successfully for thousands of years.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist and Health and Wellness Instructor for going on 34 years now. Let's get healthy. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, and please tell other people. I want to get out there as many people as possible. We're working towards 100,000 subscribers, and we have a lot of people to heal, that's for sure. Let's talk about poke root. Poke root has a lot of different names. Pokeweed, they call it, inkberry, American scout, pigeonberry, red plant, pocan, all kinds of different names. It grows in the U.S., Central America, South America, and different varieties grow around the world also. This is the Americana variety that I'm talking about here. And some places they even use the leaves and cook it and boil it and boil it and boil it and remove the water and actually eat it. So it can be used that way also, but it is toxic otherwise, so you have to use it in a specific way. It is cytotoxic, and it actually helps with, I can't say that here, they'll take down my video. It really does work. There's some studies showing it really does work in big ways. So it's traditionally used also for treating mastitis, periodontal disease, also sore throats and bone pain, tonsillitis, arthritis, all kinds of rashes and GI upsets, fibroids, and of course infections, and eczema, psoriasis, acne, and thyroid problems, and even blood cleansing. And it has been used successfully for thousands and thousands of years. I'll get into dosage and everything at the end here, but it does have toxic side effects if it's not used correctly. It can cause nausea and vomiting and stomach cramps and weakness and heart palpitations and low blood pressure, rapid heart, also your pulse going crazy, bloody diarrhea, and on, but that doesn't happen if you use it correctly. My favorite form is in a tincture. You can find it in tinctures, teas, oils, and salves. It's great for the skin. If you have, eczema or something like that, it works more like a miracle, really. If you're taking a tincture, take 1 dropper full or 3/4 of a dropper full. That's about 3/4 to 1 ml, 2 to 4 times a day, and that will do you good. If you're taking the root, take a teaspoon, put it in a cup, add hot water, let it steep for 15 minutes, and drink that 2 to 4 times a day. And it should not be used for more than 7 to 10 days. That's a maximum, and that's very important. And I don't recommend for those who are pregnant, nursing, or small children. And you can find it on Amazon for 4 ounces of the tincture for less than $20. And that will last a long time because it's very powerful. And I like the brand Florida. It's a Florida brand. You just look up pokeweed and it will kind of tincture and it will come up Florida brand, and that will do your body good. Well, pokeweed is a great thing to have around in case you have something going on in one of those rashes, or you have, bone pain or something like that going on, or you need a blood cleanse. It really does a great job. I highly recommend it. If you have something going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. No reason to be suffering. This is terrible. I see a lot of people suffering these days, and we can get you healthy. People with bone pain, or people who need a blood cleansing, or all kinds of different things. Look at me. I'm going to be 71 here in a couple months, and I feel like 20. I just did 100 pull-up crunches, and wow, I feel fantastic. Remember God, remember I love you, and also remember to take time for yourself. I know one particular person who was taking care of their mother who was 99 and a half, and it's emotionally overwhelming if you don't take time for yourself, do some meditation, and get out and have some fun. Caregivers, have short lifespans. There's no doubt about that. But if we take care of ourselves, and we got to take care of ourselves first before we can take care of anybody else. And if you do that, you can live a long, healthy, happy life. I love you.